Let's introduce another new type of variables for decimal numbers. Let me show you this with a simple printf to print my height. So I will print I am, and then I will use the format specifier %lf. So I am %lf meters, because I'm French, so I use meters, all. And then here I will put my height, 1.95. So be sure to use the period, the point, for the decimal notation. And here, let's compile and execute to see what's happening. And in the terminal, you can see that we have I am 1.950000 meters tall. This is because in C, we have 6 decimal places by default, which means that we have 6 digits after the decimal point. So now I will show you how to write a variable that can contain decimal numbers. The keyword here is double. So you use the double as a type for the variable, and then we'll use the height variable. Double height, and then my height is 1.95, and here I just have to replace 1.95 with height. Let's compile and run the program, and it works as expected. So now, how do you specify how many decimal places you want, or how many digits after the decimal point you want? Well, you can specify that when you printf. Let's show you how to do this. So between the % and the LF, I just have to say period and then 2 to have 2 decimal places, 2 digits after the decimal point. Let's compile and run. As you can see here, now I have 2 decimal places. Let's try with a 3. So I change 2 with 3, compile, run, and I have 1.950. Finally, I want to show you what happens if I put 1, compile, and run. So here I have 1.9, but what if I modify the height to 1.99 and then compile and run? Well, you can see in the terminal that now I am 2 meters tall. Why that? Because the printf with % something for a double will round the double to the nearest even. So you can check on internet how the rounding works to the nearest even. All right, so now you have to check by yourself with multiple numbers and values here, and you have to understand how the rounding is working and how the printf with this notation here is doing the round to the nearest even. Check on internet if you understand quite correctly how the rounding to the nearest even is working. That's your turn.